here at the Ellsworth Dam this morning. The thing is rolling. Look at all the water coming off of this. Wow. Especially over there. That's nuts. Yeah, look, that's like almost a foot and a half thick going off to the top of the dam. Getting down a little closer here. I'm getting wet. There's so much water spray coming. Smell it. Smells like spring. Let's go. Flippies are on the move. Can you see them? They're cruising. Holy crap, there's tons of them. Wait for my pizza. I saw this truck coming through. I didn't hang up the phone quick enough.